Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be working in my work planner. I took it out of the Moterm cover that it's usually in. I will be making a DIY cover using cutting mats from Dollar Tree, but before I do, I need to get caught up with my planning. I don't know what it is. Maybe I need to change planners. I was thinking about going to a Skinny Classic or a Fobonichi. I can easily make my own. I have a few that I've made, but I think I would want a new cover. So I'm not sure about that. One of them I use to keep notes as a reference. So I kind of want to leave that one intact. But anyway, I got to do something because I'm not drawn to use the work planner. I have a spiral bound notebook, you know, the kind the kids use for school, that I keep bedside, and I can just scribble down ideas, draw out my ideas, and maybe that's all I need. I don't know that I actually need this, but I'm going to keep going and see because it can be beneficial. I have used it in the past. Maybe I've outgrown it, or maybe I'm just bored with half letter for now and just need to move into another size. Let me know what you think in the comments. So yeah, I haven't picked this up at all for April other than to do the monthly and the title page, which is here. So, I mean, yes, we're only in the first week of April, so I guess that's not too horrible. But I should be using this daily. Okay, so that's enough whining about my planning life. I like this better. I think the Moterm cover added too much bulk to it for me. I was just tired of that, maybe. I don't know. But I'm going to leave it like this. And I do need to go back and put the April tab on as well. But we'll worry about that later. Okay, so this is the 3rd through the 9th. Easter is included, so I'm going to be using the Spring Florals by Kell. Also, these inserts are a printable, which is available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. It comes in vertical and horizontal in a variety of sizes. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments below. I'll also put the link to the Scrapcraftastic Patreon in the description box below. Okay, so Kell Spring Florals. I think I got this last year right after Easter, so I didn't get a chance to use any of the Easter stickers. So we're going to do that today. I am going to start. I didn't get a chance to put eggs in my other planner. So we're doing the eggs and chicks and florals. I kind of wanted to do tulips, but I can use tulips anytime, not just for Easter. So I'm going to go with the eggs. And I don't know that that's going to look right on this paper. Okay, those are clear. Let's see. This already has the egg with it. All right, so instead of starting with the eggs, let's start with the chicks. And this chick already has the eggs. So basically it's a cluster already. It's so crooked. Okay, got a little wrinkle in there. Let's see if I can smooth that out. That's pretty. All right. Then I think I can use should I put the other chick on this side and have them back to back? Why not? Because I probably won't ever use this for anything else. Okay. Then let's use this one. Wow, these are really tough to get off the page. Okay. Let's put this one up here. I think that's too big. So let's use this one and divide it up. Okay, so that's it for the deco. Let's see, what boxes do I want to use? I don't really like the purple and the I don't like the colors. Let me see if I like my boxes better. If not, then we'll come back to that. Let's see. Now these are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. Let's use these. I use them for my everyday planner too. I guess I can use them here. Got them, use them. So I'm going to start with the yellow. And I knew I had another pink that I had taken off. Purple. No, let's see. Is there a green? Or did I use them all? I think I used all the green. Let's go for another yellow then. Because the blue does not look good with the blue. So let's go with yellow. And then blue up here. And then I think that'll be good. All right. So I like that. Maybe I need to put something here. Let's use another blue. These label boxes are coming in handy. I like the way that they look. So let's see, where do I want to put it? I guess I can put it right here. Now, let's see if I have anything to accent these. This is where we can use some of the eggs, I think. Oh, the butterflies are nice too. That box is crooked. Can't fix it. Let's see if I can get this egg up. Let's see. Let's take this off because these stickers are super hard to get off of the backing. Oh, that's all together. Nope, stuck. Okay. Okay, let's see what script stickers I have. Oh, my covers came off. All right, let's see. It's not up there. Use this to do. Plan. And a today. Okay. Let's put to do here. Plan here. Let's put today here. And I'm going to call that finished. I asked this question in my everyday planner video. I know I keep mentioning that planner, but there's two things on this spread that I normally do that I didn't do. If you know what those are, let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's pop this back in. this is the setup. I use Deco stickers from Kell Spring Florals. The inserts, the label boxes, and the scripts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons depending on what level you are. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!